Welcome to the Classroom Hotlines instructional video series for the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. In this video, we'll go over using Zoom in your classroom. This video will require a good working knowledge of the general purpose classroom technology, so if you feel you need a refresher on the basic functions of our classrooms, click on the link in this video's description to watch the general purpose classroom technology video. To begin, log into the in-house computer with your Onion password and power on the projectors or LCD displays. Once the computer is logged in, open Zoom. If this is your first time logging into the PC for a semester, click Sign In and then click Sign In with SSO. Type unc.zoom.us and an internet browser will open asking you to enter your Onion password. After logging in, click Open to allow the browser to open Zoom. Now, you should be logged into Zoom. Logging in once will allow you to remain logged in for all future class sessions. Before starting your meeting, adjust your microphone, speaker, and camera settings by selecting the settings gear in the upper right of the window. Select Video to adjust your camera settings. From the camera drop-down menu, you can select AV Bridge if your room is equipped with permanently installed cameras. If you don't see AV Bridge, you can still hold a Zoom meeting using the document camera as your camera and microphone. Just ensure that the document camera is powered on, which is indicated by a green light on the top of the unit, and select AV USB camera as your input. The dock cam arm can then be adjusted, and the camera itself can be zoomed in and zoomed out as needed to best capture your classroom. Next, click Audio on the left side of the settings menu. The best speaker settings will vary from room to room, but each setting can be selected and tested to see which setting best fits your need. The microphone settings may also vary, so it's best to test each setting to see which option gives you the best response on the input level meter. In classes without permanently installed cameras, this, just like the camera input, will need to be USB audio capture over USB audio. Now you're ready to start your meeting. If you have a previously scheduled meeting, select it from your upcoming meetings list. Or you can start a new meeting or join a meeting hosted by others using the meeting ID. In rooms with permanently installed cameras, the view of the cameras can be adjusted by pressing Select Camera from the computer input on the AV main menu. On this page, you can select which camera you'd like to utilize, adjust the pan, tilt, and zoom of each camera, adjust the speeds at which the pan, tilt, and zoom move, and establish presets for different camera positions by pressing and holding on the preset numbers. You can also switch in between different cameras without having to change any settings within Zoom, as both cameras are fed into the same AV Bridge input that the computer reads. After you finish for the day, please log out of the computer and hit System Power in the lower left corner of the AV main menu. This will help the next instructor by ensuring that the room has been rebooted and returned to its original state for their class. If you're having difficulties using any of our technology or need to report a problem with maintenance or housekeeping in the room, please pick up the hotline phone and one of our tech support specialists will help you right away.